Hi there, welcome to Lodge. Today, I'm super excited to unbox the Lodge Solar Speaker 4. The Lodge Solar Speaker is the world's first weatherproof, audiophile-quality speaker powered by the sun. In this video, I'll show you everything that comes in the box and demonstrate how simple it is to set up your speaker and start experiencing the amazing sound quality outdoors or indoors. If you're watching this video on the Lodge website, remember to sign up with your email for future videos, offers, and updates. All right, now let's get into it. So this is the Lodge Solar Speaker 4, the Series 2 version. The first generation prototype product was launched on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. We received a ton of great feedback from the backers, which we incorporated into this version here. The improvements include hardware, design, and firmware changes, making this speaker better sounding, more powerful, and more weather resistant than our initial version. You'll notice that the package is attractive and informative. Looking over the features and benefits on the box, you can quickly get a sense of how unique this speaker truly is. You're going to want to get into that box right away. So let's get to it. The first thing you'll see when you open the box is this information card from Lodge. It has a QR code on it. Scan the QR code with your phone, and it will take you to the Lodge website, where you can click the setup link for step-by-step instructions of how to set up and operate your new speaker. You'll also find a USB-C cable. Yes, this speaker is solar powered, but you can plug it into the wall if you'll be using it inside. The Lodge website has great tips on the type of wall charger to use to make the charging process with the USB-C cable quick and efficient. And here is the Lodge Solar Speaker. When you take the speaker out of the box, you're immediately struck by the look and the heft of the speaker. It has a sleek, elegant look to it, and it just feels solid. It'll complement all different types of outdoor decor and looks great wherever you choose to use it. And lastly, we have the speaker stake and the metal attachment plate. You can set your speaker on this stake and it stays solidly. More on that later. Let's start with the front of the speaker and work our way around, looking at all sides of it. The speaker front has this metal grille with our classy Lodge logo. The grille looks and feels premium. It's magnetically attached to the speaker using very small and strong magnets. You can easily remove the grille by grabbing either side of the grille and gently pulling towards you. But even in more harsh weather conditions, those magnets will hold the grille on nice and tight. When you take the grille off, you'll see the top quality 3/4 inch dome tweeter and 4-inch woofer. This speaker uses nothing but top of the line premium components throughout. That is why it sounds so good, delivering audiophile quality sound for all genres of music. Let's continue with the rest of the speaker. The Lodge Solar Speaker is covered on all three sides and the top with high quality, rugged solar panels. These 180 square inches of solar panels capture sunlight from all angles and help to keep the speaker's big battery fully charged all the time. These solar panels ensure that as long as the speaker is exposed to sunlight, you literally don't have to worry about charging your speaker ever. One final thing about these solar panels, the solar chips on each panel create a distinctive look for the speaker. As the sunlight hits the panels from different angles, it makes the solar panels shimmer and shine, giving it an even more unique and high-end look. Let me show you a couple of things on the back of the speaker. First is this opening. This serves as the speaker's handle, so you can pick it up and transport it easily. It's also the port opening for the 4-inch passive radiator. Yes, this speaker has a passive radiator, which enhances the bass frequencies of the speaker, giving it more punch and oomph. Second, at the bottom, there is a USB-C input. The speaker comes with this rubber plug to protect the opening from the elements, so remember to leave the rubber plug in when the speaker is outside. The USB-C input is weatherproof and rated to IP66, but this rubber plug provides added protection. On top here is where you have all of the buttons to connect your Lodge speaker and control it. Moving from left to right on the panel, you have the power button, 4 LEDs showing the charge status of the speaker, minus, play pause, and plus buttons to control volume and playback, Lodge link, and Bluetooth buttons to connect your device to the speaker and to connect multiple speakers together in different configurations. The material used for this panel is weatherproof, and the buttons are very responsive to touch. There are small, powerful magnets behind the label that secure the speaker to the stake. Put the stake together. You will need this 2-piece stake and this round metal plate. This plastic bag contains screws that you will need to connect the 2 pieces of the stake together. Attach the metal plate to the top of the stake and secure the speaker to the stake. A thumb screw is included to secure the speaker to the plate. While the magnets at the bottom of the speaker are strong enough to keep the speaker firmly on the stake, it's not a bad idea to use the screw for added security, especially if you don't intend to move the speaker around frequently. And that's it. This is everything that comes in the box when the Lodge speaker arrives at your home. I hope you found this video informative and useful. And just a reminder, if you're watching this video on the Lodge website, remember to sign up with your email so you can get great information like this from Lodge. And if you're watching on the Lodge YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be alerted when we drop more Lodge videos and updates in the future. Thanks for watching.